So far, I've paid $4,000 for the venue for my Amazon FBA event, another $3,500 on the audio and visual, another $2,500 on all the catering, another $700 for a bar cart and a bartender, $5,500 for an event coordinator to help me to plan the entire event, and another $2,000 in just other random expenses for this event. And so far I've sold around 25 tickets, which is around $7,500 in ticket sales, which is amazing that 25 people have already prepaid to come to this event that's July 29th through the 31st here in Los Angeles, California. A lot of those people had to pay for flights and hotels as well. But one important realization I had about this Amazon FBA event that I'm throwing is I'm probably going to lose money. But that's okay. I've decided to make this a smaller, more intimate event and make it so there's only limited amount of tickets available. And ticket prices for this event are now at $349 for the entire 3-day event. And I only have 25 tickets left before prices go up, and prices are going up no matter what, June 23rd. So if you want to come to this event, I'll put a link down below where you can get your ticket. And for anyone that doesn't know, my Amazon FBA event, Passion Product Live, is a 3-day event. The first day is going to be all about networking. The second and the third day is also going to have networking, so you can get to meet other members of the community. There's also going to be a lot of talks given by Amazon FBA experts like myself and a bunch of other people, including experts that will help you to get your products into retail, help you to start selling on Walmart, and just really help you to start and grow your Amazon FBA business. And in this video, I'm going to give you an update about the event, as well as share with you some really big lessons that I've learned, and ask you to smash the like button, because the more likes this video gets, the more people that are going to get to see this video. And for me, I've had this idea of doing an in-person event for a long time. In fact, I actually had this idea in around January of 2020. And obviously we all know what happened. I realized that I couldn't do an in-person event for a year or two. And the truth is, for me, doing an in-person event isn't about the money. As I showed you with the numbers earlier, it doesn't make a lot of financial sense. But the big thing for me is I want to gather together the community. I want to gather together all the people that are in my Passion Product Formula, my Amazon FBA course, all the people that watch this YouTube, all the people that are trying to start their own e-commerce business, their own Amazon FBA business. I want to gather them together and share with them the latest things that I've been learning, and also bring together as many of the biggest experts I can in the space so that everybody attending the event can learn. And one of the most powerful things that I've realized in my life is networking, meeting other people that are trying to do the same things that I'm doing. And entrepreneurship can be extremely lonely. When I first quit my corporate job, I didn't know anybody else that had the kind of goals that I had. And it made life a lot harder. It wasn't until I started meeting other people with similar goals that I started to have a lot of success. And that's one of the big reasons why I want to do this as an in-person event. So I can meet you and I can introduce you to other people that also have the same goal as you, or other people that have already achieved the goals that you have. So I started working with a student that's in the Passion Product Formula, David. And David has experience throwing events. And we started brainstorming. We started thinking about how can we make the best possible event. And he helped me to book a location in Los Angeles. We booked a hotel. I went in and I saw the space and I realized, wow, this is amazing. This is really going to happen. And at that point, I started looking for speakers and started reaching out to a bunch of people. As I've mentioned before, AJ, who sells cocktail cards, he's going to be coming to the event and talking about TikTok and sharing how he was able to raise over $100,000 on Indiegogo by using TikTok. He also has done over $150,000 in sales just in his first 3 months of selling his product on Amazon. And most of it came from TikTok. He's gonna be sharing all his secrets. I've also reached out to a ton of other high-level speakers, and I don't wanna give away just yet who some of the speakers are, but they're gonna be some of the top people in the industry coming to share all their secrets. We then designed a page for people to go to be able to buy their tickets. It's at passionproductlive.com. I'll put a link in the description down below, and I would love for you to check out the page and let me know your feedback. Let me know how to improve it. This is the first time I've done a page for an event, and I'm sure I made a lot of mistakes, and I would love any feedback you have. You can leave it as a comment down below. And this is my first time doing an event like this, and honestly, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit scared. I don't know how many people are gonna show up, but I decided to cap it no matter what at 100 people, because I wanna keep this as a small, intimate event. I wanna be able to get to meet everybody that comes to this event. And even though I've only sold 25 tickets so far, I talked to my event planner, the event coordinator, and she said that that's actually really normal. She said most people don't buy their ticket for an event like this until 3 to 5 weeks before the event. And because of that, to motivate you to get your ticket even sooner, I have the tickets on sale. They're at $349 a ticket. I've only got 25 tickets available at this price point. And on June 23rd, I'm gonna increase the price of the tickets to $397. I know a lot of people have told me that they wanna wait till the event gets closer before buying their ticket, but as I mentioned, there's only 25 tickets available at the $349 price point. So if you want that discounted price, click the link down below and get your tickets before all those sell out.